welcome to my channel Be Fit Be Well with Alex. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite oatmeal recipe. It's super easy, super tasty, and super healthy. Let's get started. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients that we're going to be needing. So 1 cup of milk, half a cup oats, any kind. You're going to have 1 banana and you're going to mash up half of it and slice half of it. You're going to have some blueberries, chia seeds, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. So to start, you're going to take your milk, 1 cup, pour it in. You'll add half a cup of oats, just a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to grab our vanilla, just half a teaspoon. And then this is when you need half of that mashed banana. I'm going to add that. And that's all for now. So you turn the stove on to around medium, low, wherever you prefer. And you're just going to mix that all through. Now, I'm going to start my timer so that we can see exactly how long this takes. Okay, so that goes pretty quick. It's only been almost around 3 minutes and it's starting to thicken. You see it's starting to bubble up on the edges. You want to make sure that you're stirring it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, so now it looks like it's finishing up and it's been 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So you can turn your stove off, and then you're going to transfer it from the pan to your bowl. It smells delicious. So next I like to add a few things. I like to add a little bit more cinnamon on top. And a little bit less than 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I'm going to mix that all in afterwards. I like to put some blueberries on and some banana. And there you go, super easy, tasty, and healthy oatmeal. I'll leave the recipe and the nutrition facts down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button. That's good.